Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ratisha Singh, and I am presenting presentation on implementation of To-Do API using Node.js application. So, internal guide is Mr. Kosoni, and external guide is Mr. Viren Pawar. And content of the presentation is it contain objective, intensive details, workflow, background, introduction to API, To-Do app, all the card operations, technology used in To-Do API, project requirement, and exception and key learning. So the objective of our project is to make a to-do list which we can remember or work and flow our to-do list. So we can follow our daily routines with the help of this to-do list. Or in this to-do list, card operation is the main objective where we work on it. So card operation means create, read, update, delete operations, which make fully workful to the to-do list. Then this is the intensive details. Major role is backend in the space application. Other technologies like JavaScript, Node.js, Socket.io also use some framework like Express. Also use databases like MySQL, MongoDB. Also work on testing part also in test OKR or chat OKR. So working schedule is 9 to 6. This is the workflow where this is the database where all the data is stored in this MongoDB database. And this is the view. We can see what we enter our entities, and this is the controller which control what operation we are going to perform. Like we were performing create, read, update, or delete. So this is all linked to the database, and this is the background of Walkover Web Solution Private Limited. It is a product-based company. It is a startup located in Indore. There is main project product which is MSG 91. Like about 5,000 plus enterprises working on it. Also, some major product was Git and application automation of world of accounting, and also Socket and API middleware which work on a third party. And this is the to-do list. As I said that to-do list, we generally maintain our daily task or list everything we want to do. Like we prepare a age list. So in this operation, we perform add task, update task, read or delete task. This is the app where we enter our entities, and if we want to add a new user, so we can click on the add user button, and which this open a new page. So where we can create a new user, we can read all the user, we can update any user through this edit cursor, and we can delete through cross button. And this is the card operation where we can use put to get and post delete method with the help of this. Also use technologies like Node.js, MongoDB, Express, card on REST. This is the simple data flow diagram which shows like browser what are we shown on a computer, all the operation card operation through server, and it will reach to database. And our project requirement like VS Code, or we have to install Node.js, or for the installing packages npm init, and what are packages requirements, so we can install according to it. So in this walkover, there's many key learning like learn new technologies, good experience in product based company which they are building our own project working on that. Also experience in handling software use testing code, also coordinating work between various departments in the industry. So thank you.